front garden is too thirsty for California. California has had water restrictions because of our ongoing drought, and while some plants have thrived, others have suffered, and we've just decided to rip it all out and replace it with water-wise plants. Now, we're moving the plants to other parts in the yard where they will do better, places where there's more shade. Well, we are finally getting to redoing the front garden and making it much more water-wise. And right now I am going out rock hunting because we need a lot of rocks. You know what doesn't drink a lot of water? Rocks. So we're putting a lot of rocks in our front yard. Fortunately, we have a lot of rocks on our property, so I'm just gonna go hunting out there. We had these lavender already in here. We moved a couple of little succulents that we had and added a couple of little native growers. I like that. That looks good. I think that'll be, yeah. We put these pipes in here as placeholders for a bulb that we're waiting for. What is it, a hot poker plant, honey?
Yes.
Hot poker plant. So we've got a few of those on order and they won't ship for a while. So these are just indicating where they're going to go.
What do you think about this?
Oh yeah, that one's nice.
What are your thoughts about just the location?
Yeah, I like how this green matches that green.
I'll angle this a little bit so it kind of
comes out like it's growing underneath the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that will lay flat. I'll move that rock over a little bit.
Crassula, Echeveria, the lipstick Echeveria. We love the shape of this plant, but it's not a cheap plant, so we decided to slice it in half to make our dollars go further. One of the things I love about succulents. Oh, that's pretty.
What are you doing? You're not supposed to be outside, bud. He's a little more difficult to control than.
Yeah. Sequel's just curious, but still.
No. Don't eat that. You're just gonna throw it out. Let's go in.
For the last couple of years, we have brought the kitty cats out on the deck with us. They do want to venture off, so we have this super fancy system to keep them from venturing out, which we have had to improvise. But it has worked well for us for 2 years. Not anymore. Sequel has finally figured it out.
Hi, Sequel. Can you see you?
I have money. It would be a spring. Public fine.
Next time, then.
You want to work these? I'll work this side?
Yep, that sounds good. I'm thinking this right here. Are you okay with that?
I like it.
For sure. Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah.
One of those little bright green things would be nice to tuck right in here. We spent a lot of time with most of the plants, looking at them and rearranging them and figuring out where they'd go. The propeller plant was a really difficult one to find a place for some reason, but ultimately we're very happy with everything and its placement. Believe it or not, we're going to need a lot more rocks. And I think we've pretty much gotten all the good rocks on our property, the ones that are easy to dig up. So we're going to have to go rock hunting in a bit, maybe on the way to the gym. Even with an abundant supply of rocks on our own property, we still found we needed more rocks. Fortunately, we've had a lot of rain in California, and with rain comes mudslides or rock slides. So rocks are easy to be had on the side of the road. You just got to risk your life getting them.
You want to pop the trunk, babe?
You got it. Okay, there's a car coming. Just one. It's a Rolls Royce.
If I'm going to get run over,
Go.
at least I'm picking the right
Go,
car.
go, 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 go. We're done. Well done.
And now we just wait for everything to grow. Unfortunately, these are all going to be slow growers, so we're not going to have to touch this garden for a couple of years. We hope. Thanks for watching. I love you bunches. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I will talk to you very soon.